Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. Today we are going to solve two problems from the chapter Circles. In the last video, we have discussed two sums from the chapter Area related to circles. Those questions are very important from the exam point of view. So if you have missed that video, please go and check it out. For that, I will share the video link in the description box below. So now let's get started. So friends, here we have the question. Let us read it. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ने एक सर्कल को घेरा हुआ है. सर्कमस्क्राइब यानी क्या है, घेरा हुआ है. ओके, तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है. तो इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे एक थ्योरम. वो क्या है, I hope all of you know that. Okay, if we have a circle, then from external point, the tangents drawn from external point are equal. Suppose PA and PB are two tangents from the external point, then PA will be equal to PB. We will use this theorem here. Let me erase it. So here we can see, here it is clear that here A is an external point, so here we can say that AP will be equal to AS, and here B is an external point, we can say here BP is equal to BQ, and here C is an external point, we can say that CQ will be equal to CR, and D is an external point and two tangents are drawn here, so we can say that DR will be equal to what? ds. Okay, so we have to write these equations in solution. Okay, but how we will write? Okay, we will write the equations but we will maintain the order. हम यहाँ पे एक order maintain करेंगे ताकि हम ये प्रूव कर सके. एक ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे तभी जाके वो हम प्रूव कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इट मीन्स हाउ वी विल राइट दिस. हियर वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. We can write AP is equal to AS. Okay, but here we want AB. Okay, to get AB हमें चाहिए, तो हमको क्या करना है, AB को complete करना पड़ेगा. Okay, after writing the equations we are going to add those equations. Okay, so we have to complete AB here. So here BP is equal to BQ. Okay, but I will write BP is equal to BQ only. If I write BQ is equal to BP, then it will be difficult. Okay, so we have to complete this line. So I will write here BP is equal to BQ. Now from here you see BQ is, I have already written BQ. Now I will complete this line. Okay, and I will use the theorem. So here, to complete the line, here down of BQ I will write CQ. CQ is equal to what? CQ is equal to CR. Okay, now I will complete this line. So I will write DR here, but DR is equal to what? DR is equal to what? DR will be equal to DS. Okay, now we will add all these equations. Now adding, what we will get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Adding all left hand sides is equal to, now add all the right hand sides. AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay, now AP plus BP can be written as, see, AP plus BP will be equal to AB plus CR plus DR will be equal to CR plus DR here. CR plus DR will be equal to CD is equal to AS plus DS. Take these two, this combination. AS plus DS. AS plus DS will be equal to AD plus BQ plus CQ will be equal to BC. So we have proved AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So ये बहुत ही आसान है, ठीक है. Now we will move to the next question. So here we have question number 9. Let us read it. In figure 10.13, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. तो यहाँ हमें प्रूव करना है एंगल AOB है 90 डिग्री के इक्वल. ओके, सो to prove this, let us do a small construction. Okay, let us join OC. Okay, now 4 angles are formed. Now we can see that 4 angles are formed. Let us name it. चलो नाम देते हैं. ये है एक एंगल नंबर 1. This is angle number 2. Let us name it angle number 3 and let us name it angle number 4. Okay, you can see here clearly that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Isn't it? Okay, here we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि एंगल AOB 90 डिग्री है. बट यहाँ इस फिगर में क्या है, एंगल AOB जो है एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 के इक्वल है. Here according to the figure we have to prove that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove this. Okay, so now let us solve. So here how we will reach there. Okay, so let us try to equate. Let us prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, let us prove. चलो हम ये प्रूव कर देते हैं कि एंगल 1 एंगल 2 इक्वल है और एंगल 3 और एंगल 4 इक्वल है. बट कैसे? We will use here congruency. Okay, for that we need to take 2 triangles. Okay, in order to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2, we will take 2 triangles. Which triangles? In triangle PAO and triangle CAO. Okay, so here clearly we can say that AP is equal to AC. AP is equal to AC. Can you say why? Because these are the tangents. These are the tangents drawn from the external point A. You can see here AP is equal to AC. Okay, these are the tangents drawn from the external points. And we can see that OA is equal to OA because it is common side. एक और चीज यहाँ पे इक्वल है, वो क्या है? OP is equal to OC, which is the radius of the circle. OP is equal to OC. What is the reason? Radius. Okay, so we can write that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle CAO. Okay, by which rule? Side, side, side. SSS. Congruency criteria. So now I can write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. मैं ऐसा क्यों लिख सकती हूँ? Because मैं यहाँ यूज कर रही हूँ CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, in the same way, okay, we can take triangle. Now In triangle, let us name it equation number 1, okay, because we will use it further. In triangle, now we want to prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we will take triangle. In triangle, okay, let us write angle BOC, BOC and BOQ, triangle BOQ, okay. So here, what are the corresponding sides? Equate. So here B is the external point and tangents drawn from external point, which are BQ and BC, which are equal, BQ and BC. So BC is equal to BQ, okay. And here in triangle BOC we can take OC, okay. OC is equal to what? OC is equal to OQ. Here also mention the reason. BC is equal to BQ. Why? Because these are tangents. And OC is equal to OQ. Why? Because these are radius. Okay. And here one common side is there. What is that? OB is equal to OB, which is common. So we can write that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ. Okay. So here also triple S criteria. Okay. So now we can write that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. Now let us name it equation number 2. Okay. Now we can see from the figure that angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we can write it as linear pair. Okay, so from equation number 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, so angle 1, I can replace angle 1 with angle 2. So angle 1 can be written as angle 2. Angle 2 I will write as it is. Angle 3 I will write as it is. And from equation number 2, angle 4 can be written as angle 3 because angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So angle 4 can be replaced by angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now add angle 2 plus angle 2, 2 times of angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 3 is equal to 180. Okay. Now 2 is common, 2 common है, बाहर निकालो. अब यहाँ अंदर होगा एंगल 2 और यहाँ होगा एंगल 3 जो कि है 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 ये होगा 180/2. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई करने पर हमें मिलेगा एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. एक्चुअली एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 ये था क्या? ये था हमारा एंगल AOB इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. हियर एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज व्हाट? एंगल AOB. So angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved it. आसान था ना ये? बहुत ही आसान है ये. Okay, do practice. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topics very clearly, but still if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please like and share. And let me remind you, I have already created a video on the topic find the roots using the factorization method from the chapter quadratic equations. If you have missed that video, please go and check it out, and for that I will share the video link in the description box. And I have already created videos on word problems from the chapter linear equations in 2 variables. Please go and check it out. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.